Alright everybody, this is a drop into the extreme toads, and I'll tell you the halfway mark, which actually turns into the toads. So I was told this top section is called the extreme toads, and we're going to hit that first. Alright, this is the extreme toad section. Whew. Washing out a little bit, so taking my time, trying to ride safely. My brother behind me is faster than I am. Here we go. This is the extreme toad section. I've already ate it right here before being overconfident. So right now I'm barely getting back in the groove, just trying to have a fun ride. I actually fell right there, flew over the handlebars. Just get these little berms right. Try to get that quarter in action. Alright, let's go. I tried to do this little drop before. Get a little bit of air, not much. Still amateur / beginner. Alright, here we go. This little turn is a little wide. Slow down, catch it. Alright, here we go. So all that section right there, from what I was told, is considered the extreme toads. Now we're coming into the drop-in point for the toads. I've heard people call it Mr. Toads. Alright, here we go with the toads, right? Woo, almost washed out. Here we go. And for those of you that come often, there used to be a Ford Explorer right around this corner. I was just told by my bro that they took it out. So alright, this is the toads, right? Need to remind myself just to chill, get a fun, good ride. Still a little sandy in between. Alright, here we go. It might seem a little bit dangerous catching that high line, but it's actually safer than catching that crevice in between. Here we go. And keep in mind, I'm barely doing any pedaling, if any. It's got a steep downhill grade. The toads, everybody. Bakersfield, California, Hart Park. And usually you try to end it with this one, or one of the trails you can end it with, because this one leads you right back into the parking lot. And my very first day out here on the GT Aggressor Pro, I actually hit this trail. So don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone and just give it a try. Just try to come out here and ride with your skill and not your ego, and make sure you're wearing protective gear, right? Trust me, you're gonna get to the point where you're feeling a rush and you're like, oh, let me try this, let me try that. And it's cool to get out of your comfort zone. But there's a point where you're like, I'm not sure if I want to pay the price for it. Here we go. Oh, pedal strike. Let's drop right into this. There's people that jump off of this, but I'll just ride it out. I'm not there yet. Oh, sandy. Be careful when you're going into the sand. Potential of washing out and your front tire rolling in. Alright everybody, that was the extreme toads on the first section, and we identified the halfway mark, which is the drop into the toads. Bakersfield, California, everybody. Hart Park.